This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please refer to the provided manual for complete instructions and safety information. Once you remove the wooden crate, begin to unpack your dovetailer by removing the plastic, safety bar, and toolbox found on the bottom of the skid. You can then position the machine in place and remove the lag bolts in order to remove it from the skid. You may use a lifting strap through the large eye bolts located on the top of the machine. With a forklift, raise the machine and remove the skid from underneath. Pay attention to the balance of the machine during this process. Set the machine in place. Install the safety bar. You can now have a qualified electrician connect the power to the machine, making sure the proper rotation of the milling motor. You can then connect the air to the FLR unit found on the front of the machine. Adjust the regulator to 6 bar or 85 psi. All that is left is connecting the flexible dust hose to the dust hood. Refer to your manual for the CFM requirement. The toolbox comes with a variety of tools as well as 2 wooden templates. These templates are used to calibrate your machine. First, you must position your cutter head to the right side of the machine before the fence by pushing the emergency stop button during the cycle. Please refer to position A in your manual. Then, insert the bottom template over the cutter head. Spin the cutter head by hand to make sure it is centered in the pocket. You can then slide over your fence, square up your template, clamp the template, and secure the fence. Next, position your side template as shown. Align the ends, clamp the template, slide over and secure the fence. Again, ensure the cutter head spins freely. You are now ready to run new test pieces. Clamp the top piece in place first, then insert and clamp the bottom piece. Run the machine and check the fit to see if any further adjustments are needed. To adjust the indent height H, loosen the 2 clamping bolts. You can now easily adjust the height of the cutter head by turning the adjusting nut clockwise to raise the cutter head or counterclockwise to lower. Refer to your manual for more detailed explanation with relation to the notch and scale of the spindle. You can adjust the tightness of the dovetail joint by rotating the double flute bit in the spindle. Simply loosen the 2 set screws to allow you to rotate the bit positively or negatively from the 0 point on the collar. Refer to your manual for a more detailed explanation on the relationship of the cutter head notch to the 0 point of the collet. To adjust the male indent thickness S, you will first need to remove the 2 covers off the front and top of the machine. With the motion motor running, press the stop button so the chaser is at the furthest point as shown here, and loosen the locking screw. You can now adjust the thickness with an Allen key. Refer to your manual for a more detailed explanation on adjusting the male indent thickness gauge S. To adjust the female indent depth S1, you must unlock the two handles on top of the machine. Then you can adjust the depth with the Allen key. Once again, refer to your manual for a more detailed explanation. After any adjustment, run a sample and check the fit. For more information, visit our website at www.cantekamerica.com.